Good.
The,
All right, we are going to start with IELTS speaking part 1 and you're going to answer a number of different questions. Yes.
do you like to try new activities?
Yeah, I love to try to new activities nowadays because I am gradually, so I try.
I have recently graduated. Not recently? Okay. All right.
I have graduated last year, so I
Great.
try to keep myself busy in trying the new activities. So nowadays I am into the journaling thing. So yeah.
Okay, so
I
to
am-
answer your question, the question is, do you like to try new activities? To answer your question, I always love to do something different, something new. One sentence conclusion, okay? Organization of your answer is very important. And it should be the same 3-step thing. Second, next question.
What activities would you like to try?
I would love to play the long tennis.
Yeah, you can just signpost it now. First of all, I would love to play
Okay.
tennis and then speak a couple of sentences about it.
Okay.
Then secondly, then talk about second thing. Okay, ask again.
What activities would you like to try?
Firstly, I would like to try the long tennis because I am so into the sport. Secondly, I would like to do journaling because I am into the writing stage. And thirdly, I would like to watch some documentaries because I love to gather some information about the things.
Excellent, this is better. Okay, answer like this. One more.
Do you like to try new activities alone or with your friends?
Now, I usually do the activities alone because I don't get along with the peoples very much. So I would love to do the activities alone. Yeah, I would love to do it with my family or with my sister, not with my friends.
Okay, I'd love to do them because new activities
Okay,
are plural.
them.
So love to do them, right?
Okay.
Just need to overcome your emotions,
Yeah.
right? Negative emotions and all that while
Yeah,
sitting
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Sometimes you're confused, nervous and all that. Otherwise, you're fine. Okay, thank you. Good job.